Everybody, as you can see, we are already on Klein Curacao, which is so beautiful. There is nobody living here. It is just an island that you can visit. I think apparently you're not allowed to stay here overnight, so it makes it really special. You can come here, spend the day, chill out. There are tons of these little nice huts and you can just go snorkeling, and we already saw a couple of sea turtles. I'm really excited about it. We came here with the catamaran. I'm gonna show you some clips now. How about you, Karina?
I threw up.
No, she's lying.
No, I did. In the bathroom.
Are you serious?
I was feeling dizzy and I went to pee. And I think it's because it's enclosed, or because I couldn't see anything.
Because you sat inside?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, but I went inside to not get wet. So I was fine. I went to pee, and then when I was in the bathroom, I don't know if it's because it's enclosed, I was just like...
Oh no, I didn't know. It was quite a choppy ride here, so, because you go against the waves. Apparently when you go back it's all smooth, but when you come here it's quite rough. But we are here now and I'm so happy. It's so pretty here. Guys, the swimming with the turtles was really fun. Did you see the little baby one? It was so cute. I couldn't stop following it. It was so cute. But yeah, now we were just chilling here in our little hut. I wish we could just sleep here overnight. I think the only thing I would miss at one point would be a toilet because there are no toilets here. Your toilet are the bushes or the water. So yeah, now we're just waiting for lunch. I think in about half an hour we're gonna swim to the boat and then we're gonna have lunch on there, which is good. And then in the afternoon we're gonna go over there to the lighthouse and to the shipwreck you can see back there. My camera keeps shutting off. I don't know what is happening. But yeah, so far I'm loving Klein Curacao. This abandoned light tower, as you can see. It looks very cool, and it used to be inhabited. There used to be people living here taking care of it, but now not anymore. As you can see, it's pretty run down, but it looks freaking cool. It looks like a ghost place. Also, it's so windy. I really hope you can hear me.
Yeah, this is as high as it goes. The rest is shallow. You can come up here.
Oh my god, he actually made it. Karina just climbed up the lighthouse tower and she's now sitting there with her feet outside. She's insane. So I'm quickly running over to the shipwreck because we don't have much time. The boat is gonna leave around 2:15, 2:30. It's now 10 to 2. So I just quickly want to go check it out, take some pictures because it looks really cool. And anyway guys, if you ever come to Curacao, a trip to this Klein Curacao island, definitely recommend it. It's so much fun and so beautiful because there's nothing here, no resorts, nothing. So nice. goodbye to this beautiful island, to this Robinson Crusoe feeling. We're gonna go back to Curacao, and I'm already looking forward to cositas ricas and the nice, very nice batido, because it's hot, it's salty, it's windy. We need some refreshments. How did you guys like it? Loved it. Loved it? Nice. Yeah, very relaxing, that's true. Guess what we're doing? We are again at the green thing. And what does the green thing mean?
Cositas ricas!
We're gonna get another batido. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm back home. I took a shower. I feel so much better because it was quite a salty and sunny day today. It was absolutely freaking amazing. I absolutely loved Klein Curacao, and I can definitely recommend this trip. So now I'm just getting ready. Maybe, I don't even know what time it is. What time is it? 20 to 7. So yeah, I'm just gonna head over to Emily's place and we're gonna cook fajitas. And then I come back and edit tomorrow's video, and then tomorrow we're gonna have a laptop club day, so editing all day, so I might not even vlog. We'll see. Cooking the chicken. Did you hunt some chickens?
Poka.
Some vegetables. Ooh, Stevie.
Rooster stay here?
Cocoyoco? Yeah, Emily told us.
Oh yeah. Come on guys, get it together.
Is there a tortilla song?
1 tortilla, 2 tortilla, 3 tortilla, 4. 1 tortilla, 2 tortilla, bam, you find on the floor.
And
Bam, you find it on the floor because it fell off.
Hey guys, I have to be quiet because it's already late. I'm back home. We had a lovely dinner, and I finished my video for tomorrow. So now I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm so happy that tomorrow we don't have an early morning, so I can just sleep, and then we're gonna go for brunch and we're gonna have our laptop club, which I think I already mentioned. Today was an awesome day, and if you enjoyed this video guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell, because apparently YouTube won't show my videos in your subscription box anymore unless you have the little notification bell pressed. So please go over there and do that if you're already subscribed, and if you're not, do it both, and that will really help me out, and you will get a new video from me every time. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm tired. I cannot even talk anymore. My brain isn't working right. Also, we almost got attacked by a dog when we came back here. Okay guys, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.